Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Foster. Foster means encourage development of. For example, the teacher's task is to foster learning. The teacher's task is to foster learning. Synonyms: encourage, promote, further.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Now, there is an opportunity to foster understanding and dialogue. Now, repeat after me. Now, there is an opportunity to foster understanding and dialogue. The second exemplar. Rewards assisted in encouraging and fostering a positive learning environment. Now, repeat after me. Rewards assisted in encouraging and fostering a positive learning environment. The third exemplar. The temple can serve to foster spiritual growth and development. Now, repeat after me. The temple can serve to foster spiritual growth and development.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.